Welcome, ISS.
Dear children, before the beginning of the class, before the commencing of the class, today's Hindi session, let's watch this video. Okay? Don't go anywhere. After watching this, come back to me.
बार की बात सुनाऊं सब्जी की दुकान पे चहक रही थी सभी सब्जियां बड़ी आन और शान से। बार की बात सुनाऊं सब्जी की दुकान पे आलू गाजर मटर टमाटर मिर्ची प्यारी प्यारी लौकी बैगन खीरा कद्दू बैठे थे अभिमान से। आलू गाजर मटर टमाटर मिर्ची प्यारी प्यारी लौकी बैगन खीरा कद्दू बैठे थे अभिमान से। बार की बात सुनाओ सब्जी की दुकान पे आलू बोला मैं बेस्ट हूँ गाजर बोली मैं बेस्ट हूँ टमाटर बोला मैं बेस्ट हूँ गोभी बोली मैं बेस्ट हूँ लौकी बैगन भिंडी कद्दू भी बोले बारी बारी मैं बेस्ट हूँ क्योंकि मुझ में खूबियाँ बहुत सारी। बोल रहे थे ये बात सभी बड़े ही गुमान से। बार की बात सुनाओ सब्जी की दुकान पे बूढ़ी सी बोली भी थी बैठी एक कोने में बोली कुछ नहीं रखा है ह्यूमर बोला होने में।
सब में कुछ ना कुछ खास है कुछ ना कुछ है अच्छा तारीफ मगर वही है जो हो दूसरों की जबान से।
दीदी मूली की सुनकर बात हुई शर्मिंदा सब्जियां तौबा तौबा बोली और हाथ लगाया काट से। बार की बात सुनाओ सब्जी की दुकान पे बार की बात सुनाओ सब्जी की दुकान पे।
नमस्ते बच्चों, कैसे हो आप सब लोग? अच्छे हो ना? और बताइए क्या हाल चाल है? हाउ डू यू डू? ऑल हैप्पी? ओके, सो टुडे आई वेलकम यू बैक टू द हिंदी सेशन वंस अगेन। टुडे इज थर्सडे। आज क्या है? गुरुवार है। गुरुवार थर्सडे और हम एज यूजुअल हमारा क्लासेस शुरू करते हैं। We have completed 12 chapters and now let's start the session with chapter number 13, part 13, स्वास्थ्य की खिचड़ी। Now, स्वास्थ्य, you all know what is स्वास्थ्य. स्वास्थ्य means health. What is स्वास्थ्य? स्वास्थ्य means health. खिचड़ी is one kind of food. खिचड़ी. It is what you know, in northern India we prepare khichdi mixing of rice, dal, different kinds of dal and we prepare a khichdi. It's one kind of rice item, food item. Okay, खिचड़ी क्या है? खिचड़ी में चावल और different kinds of दाल यूज करते हैं। We use किसका उपयोग होता है? दाल का उपयोग होता है। So here in this chapter, what is the importance of this chapter? That every day, in our everyday or routine life, we should add some vegetables. Do you all like vegetables? Come on, tell me, how many of you like vegetables? Okay, so yes, because if you eat vegetable, that is good for health. We should add vegetables in our daily routine or daily diet. Okay, so now let's see in this chapter how much this vegetable is important for our life and how much what is the disadvantage of fast food. We should not have fast food. Many of we used to eat fast food. You know what is fast food? Yes, street foods, and we say pasta, then burger. Yes, come on. What else? Chinese food, isn't it? Then yes, many other kinds of fast foods we get outside in McDonald's and all. McDonald's, then the brost, that kind of things and all. KFC. So all those are included in fast food. So we should understand that this fast food is not at all good for our health. So we should be away from these fast foods. Okay. So in this chapter there are 4 characters. One is grandfather, mother, the child, and his mama. Mama is uncle. So let's start the explanation. Don't go anywhere. Okay. See your page number, chapter number 13 and read it. Okay. Dear children, open your page number 93. Chapter number 13, Swasth Ki Khichdi. So in this chapter there are 4 characters. One is Dadaji. You know Dadaji? Yes, grandfather. Then Vishwanathan is there. Who is Vishwanathan? Son, beta. Vishwanathan is a boy, that is beta. Then Lakshmi. Lakshmi is their mother. Vishwanathan's mother. And one Swaminathan is there. And who is this Swaminathan? Swaminathan is uncle. Swaminathan is uncle. So how many characters are there? 4 characters. Grandfather, mother, son and uncle. Uncle means father's younger brother. Chachu is also called Chachu. Now here what is the scenery? Ghar ki baithak. Ghar ki baithak means a drawing room where we sit, a living room. Okay, ghar ki baithak. There Utsav jaisi chahal pahal. Utsav jaisi chahal pahal means when everyone sit together, there used to be chahal pahal. Chahal pahal means a talk with each other. Yes or no? When you all, the family sit together, they all talk, they all laugh, they make little bit sound, isn't it? So it was a very good atmosphere, we can say. Chahal pahal, a nice atmosphere. खाने की खुशबू, हंसी की आवाज़ें आ रही है, खाने की खुशबू आ रही है. So from the background, everyone can smell or one can feel a beautiful, fragrance of food. Okay, odor of food. A very beautiful aroma, you can say aroma, खाने की खुशबू, aroma of food. That means the mother is cooking food. So Vishwanathan is asking, now who is Vishwanathan? The son, okay, the beta of that house, the son of that house. अम्मा, खाने की बहुत अच्छी खुशबू आ रही है, क्या आज कोई त्योहार है? He is asking, अम्मा, क्या आज कोई त्योहार है? Today any festival is there? खाने की बहुत अच्छी खुशबू आ रही है, good aroma of food is coming. So that means the Lakshmi had prepared some tasty food or some different or special item, okay, food item. So from that the very nice aroma was out, and Vishwanathan is asking, Amma, any festival is there? Because we can feel a very beautiful or very nice aroma of food today. Lakshmi, are nahi. Now Lakshmi is telling, mother is speaking, are nahi, aaj Canada se tumhari बुआ आ रही है. You know, from Canada. Canada means Canada. From Canada, your buwa is coming. Buwa means auntie. Buwa, aunt. Your aunt is coming. और उन्होंने in Malayalam, what is buwa? You know, अम्माई, your father's sister. Okay, अम्माई. Your aunt is coming. और उन्होंने भारतीय पकवान बनाने की खास फरमाइश की है. and she has specially requested, फरमाइश करना, to demand, to request, she has specially requested to make what food? Indian food, भारतीय पकवान, Indian food. Understand? फरमाइश की है. दादाजी, now दादाजी says in between that, हमारा भारतीय भोजन हर तरह के पौष्टिक तत्वों का खजाना है. हमारा भारतीय पकवान, our Indian food items or Indian food is हर तरह से, from everywhere. What is that? पौष्टिक तत्वों का आहार है. Now what is this for पौष्टिक तत्व? पौष्टिक means yes, nutritious. What is पौष्टिक? Nutritious. What is पौष्टिक? Nutritious. So Indian food is completely filled with nutrition. Okay. तुम्हारी बुआ तो महीनों तक फ्रिज में रखा खाना या फास्ट फूड ही खाती रहती है. You know, तुम्हारी बुआ, your बुआ महीनों तक means for many months she used to eat what food? Fast food or the food which is kept in the refrigerator, which is stored in the refrigerator. That means in Canada, in other countries and all, what people do, people cook food and keep in or store in refrigerator, that every day they take it. What they do, they heat it and they eat it, which is not good for health. So for good, which food is good for health? Every day we should prepare a very fresh food. That food is only good for health. But these Canadians and the people who are living in America and all, because the cost is high there, that is why what they do, they buy something a little bit and they make it and keep it or store it in the refrigerator. That only they take and heat it and heat it and heat it. And heated food, every time, many times heated food is not at all good for health. So खाना फास्ट फूड या रेफ्रिजरेटर में रखा हुआ खाना खाती है. नाउ विश्वनाथन, दादाजी फास्ट फूड हम कभी कभी तो खा सकते हैं. नाउ ही इज आस्किंग, विश्वनाथन इज आस्किंग, is astonished, is surprised and asking a question to his grandfather. Dadaji, we can have fast food any days, right? Not every day, but sometimes we can have it or not. So Dadaji says, nahi, no, bilkul nahi, not at all. नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं, नॉट एट ऑल, यू शुड नॉट हैव. हम में पौष्टिक तत्व नहीं होते. उनमें क्या नहीं होते? पौष्टिक तत्व नहीं होते. देयर इज नो न्यूट्रिशन इन व्हाट? दिस फास्ट फूड्स. ऑल द न्यूट्रिशन इज कंप्लीटली डेड इन दिस फास्ट फूड. सो वी शुड नेवर ईट फास्ट फूड. केवल मैदा होते हैं. व्हाट इज देयर इन दिस फास्ट फूड? ऑल द आइटम्स विच इज प्रिपेयर्ड विथ इन दिस फास्ट फूड इज completely made up of maida, like paratha and all. You like paratha, but you know paratha is not at all good for our stomach. It is not good for our health. Okay, so the food which is made up of maida, you know what is maida, right? So the food which is made up of maida is not at all good for our health. विश्वनाथन, दादाजी कल हमारे स्कूल में स्वास्थ्य दिवस है. दादाजी, tomorrow in our school there is a स्वास्थ्य दिवस. स्वास्थ्य दिवस means health day. स्वास्थ्य दिवस, health day. क्या आप मेरी कुछ सहायता कर देंगे? Can you help me? क्योंकि चर्चा में मैं भी हिस्सा लूंगा. Because I am also taking part in चर्चा. चर्चा means discussion, debate. So in debate, even I am also taking part. So could you please help me in that? Could you please help me? Could you please give me some hints? क्या आप मेरी मदद करोगे? He is asking whom? Vishwanathan is asking to his grandfather. So Dadaji is telling, हाँ, क्यों नहीं? Sure, why not? Of course, why not? I will help you. So when Vishwanathan says that I am taking part in debate, could you please help me? At that time Dadaji agrees for that. He says yes, of course. हाँ, मैं तुम्हारी मदद करूँगा. स्वामीनाथन, क्या बना रही हो भाभी? Now at that time Swaminathan is coming. Who is Swaminathan? Yes, Chachu, uncle. Swaminathan arrives and he is asking his bhabhi. Bhabhi means yes, brother's wife is called as bhabhi. Okay, you all people call tata, no? So the same way it is bhabhi in north. क्या बना रही हो भाभी? What are you making भाभी? What are you preparing? Because he can also have the aroma of food. Lakshmi, आओ स्वामीनाथन, अभी लाती हूँ. ये come, please come स्वामीनाथन. अभी लाती हूँ. I'll bring it just now. बैठो. You please take a seat. बैठो. Take a seat. विश्वनाथ के स्कूल में स्वास्थ्य दिवस है. In our विश्वनाथ स्कूल there is a health day program. तुम भी इसे तंदुरुस्ती बनाए रखने के कुछ बातें बता दो. You also please just give some hints. तंदुरुस्ती बनाए रखना. तंदुरुस्ती health. तंदुरुस्ती means health. बनाए रखना. How to be healthy. How to keep ourselves healthy. कुछ hint दे दो. Give some hints. How to be healthy. How to keep ourselves healthy. Because tomorrow he is having a debate program, and if you give some hint to him, it will be easy for him to add some points. Okay. Vishwanathan. Chacha. Now Vishwanathan is telling to his uncle. चाचा जी, अच्छे स्वास्थ्य के लिए संतुलित भोजन करना चाहिए. पर यह संतुलित भोजन है क्या? So uncle, I heard that to keep ourselves healthy we should have a proper diet. संतुलित भोजन. What is संतुलित भोजन? We should have a proper diet. Now can you tell me what is this proper diet actually? Okay, proper diet, or we can say balanced diet. संतुलित भोजन which keeps balance in our health. So what is this balanced diet? संतुलित भोजन. What is संतुलित भोजन? Balanced diet. Okay. स्वामीनाथन. Now he is telling दाल, हरी सब्जियां, रोटी, दूध, दही, सलाद आदि. What is that? हमारे शरीर को पौष्टिक क्या देते हैं? तत्व प्रदान करते हैं. So what is this? दाल, yes, हरी सब्जियां, रोटी, दूध, दही, सलाद, etc. All this gives health to our. It is good for our body. It gives what? पौष्टिक तत्व. पौष्टिक तत्व means nutrition to our body. प्रदान करते हैं. प्रदान करना, to give. इन्हें भी संतुलित भोजन कहा जाता है. This is also known as balanced diet. So what is balanced diet? The diet which gives proper nutrition to our body is known as balanced diet. संतुलित भोजन कहा जाता है. पौष्टिक तत्वों की कमी में शरीर में रोगों से लड़ने की ताकत कम हो जाती है. So पौष्टिक तत्व, if we don't have nutrition food, if we don't take nutritious food, our body will not react. Our body will not be able to fight with the diseases. Okay, which it comes. रोगों से लड़ने की ताकत कम हो जाती है. So immunity will be less to fight with the diseases. Now you have seen in this virus, which virus? Coronavirus. What is important? Immunity is much more important, right? If people have good immunity, this virus is not able to do anything to us. He can't do anything to us, isn't it? So immunity is very important in our life. So how immunity? We can take the immunity, we can have the immunity with the proper and nutritious diet only. If we eat good food, if we eat healthy food, definitely our immunity level will be good. Okay. So कम हो जाती है और हम बीमार पड़ जाते हैं. So if we don't have immunity, we will definitely fall ill. बीमार पड़ जाना, to get sick, to get ill. Okay, to get ill. बीमार पड़ जाते हैं. क्या कोई ऐसा क्या कोई ऐसा तरीका नहीं हो सकता कि हम फास्ट फूड को पौष्टिक बना दें? So हम बीमार पड़ जाते हैं. क्या कोई ऐसा तरीका नहीं हो सकता कि हम फास्ट फूड की पौष्टिक बना देना? स्वामीनाथन is telling that is there anything, any idea is there or idea is there so that we can make a fast food पौष्टिक आहार. पौष्टिक आहार means a nutritious food. लक्ष्मी, हाँ क्यों नहीं? yes why not? नूडल्स में सब्जियां डालो ना. As दादाजी said that we should not have fast food. Now Swaminathan, the uncle, is telling that is there any food item so that we can make fast food also a pashtik ahar, a nutrition food? At that time mother is telling, yes, of course there is things which the fast food which makes the fast food also nutritious. Now what are those things? Look, noodles mein sabziyan dalo. Now you people eat noodles, right? So instead of putting only that noodles masala, if we cut the vegetables like capsicum, then carrot, cabbage, then some beans, green peas, okay, and beans. If we add all these things and eat noodles, then noodles won't be a fast food. It becomes a पौष्टिक आहार. It becomes a nutritious food. सब्जियां डालो और क्या करना है, खूब सारा सलाद लगाओ and eat lot of salads. You know what is salad? Cutting the cucumber, then cabbage, capsicum, the mixture of all these vegetables is known as salad. Okay. स्वामीनाथन, भोजन के साथ साथ बच्चों के लिए खेलना कूदना भी ज़रूरी है. Not only food, not only nutritious food is good for health, but with that we should have some exercise also. खेलना कूदना, the game, the play, the sports, all this is also very important for health. यह व्यायाम का काम करता है because the sports, this game, so when you go to play football, cricket, or when the girls play something that kind of game, so different kinds of game, if every day you play, what will happen, your body will remain fit. It do the work of exercise. That means we should do some exercise every day to keep our body fit with good nutritious food. So what are important? Two things are important. Nutritious food is also important, and what is important? Exercise is also very important in our life to keep our body fit. Understand? Now, दादाजी व्यायाम का काम करता है ना. दादाजी स्पीकिंग. स्वामीनाथन, सेहतमंद रहना हमारे अपने हाथ में है. सेहतमंद रहना, to be सेहतमंद. What is सेहतमंद? Having good habits, okay, or having good health. So सेहतमंद means having good health is in our hand. To be good health, to be a healthy person is in our own hand. Understand? How? If we eat good food, if we do everyday exercise properly, then definitely we will be healthy and fit. Okay. So here दादाजी said that it is in our own hand. सुबह जल्दी उठो एवं रात को समय पर सो. Another important thing is not only food and exercise, but early to bed and early rise. That means go early to bed, sleep early, and wake up early is also good for our health. So what are three things now? One is healthy food, vyayam, exercise, and third is go to bed early and wake up early. That understand? So nowadays we use phone so much at a late night that we don't have a good sleep, and morning we have to get up early also. So our sleep is not in a proper time. At least 6 hours we should get a good sleep, isn't it? 6 to 8 hours, isn't it? So your Dadaji is telling early to bed and early rise is also good for health. स्वामीनाथन, सुबह जल्दी उठो, स्कूल जाने से पहले 15 मिनट व्यायाम करो तो दिन भर शरीर में ताजगी बनी रहती है. Now uncle is telling, Swaminathan is telling to Vishwanathan that सुबह जल्दी उठो, every day wake up earlier and for 15 minutes do the vyayam. Vyayam means exercise. So 15 minutes doing exercise, what will happen? It will keep our body fit and fresh. ताजगी means freshness will be there in our body. अच्छे स्वास्थ्य के लिए साफ सुथरा रहना भी ज़रूरी है. And to keep our body fit and healthy, we should be very clean also. साफ सुथरा रहना means every day we should take a bath. We should keep our body clean. Cleanliness is very important factor in our life. Understand? शरीर को साफ रखो, नहीं तो कीटाणु शरीर को नुकसान पहुंचाएंगे. So what uncle is telling that शरीर means our body. शरीर means body को क्या रखो? साफ रखो, clean रखो. तो क्या होगा? कीटाणु means germs will be away from us. So now what happened? What 4 things are there? One is eating good food, nutritious food, then exercise, then sleeping early and waking up early, and fourth is cleanliness. So this 4 things are very much important in our life. Okay, day-to-day life. Now what Lakshmi is telling, Rozana nahana, every day you should take bath, you should take shower. Nahana means to take shower. रोजाना नहाना, देन खाने से पहले और बाद में अच्छी तरह से हाथ धोना. बिफोर ईटिंग एंड आफ्टर ईटिंग फूड वी शुड वॉश अवर हैंड वेरी प्रॉपरली. वॉशिंग हैंड प्रॉपरली. ओके. देन अच्छी तरह से हाथ धोना. देन दांत साफ करना. टू ब्रश आवर टीथ. वी शुड brush our teeth how many times? Twice a day, in the morning and before going to bed. That is also very zaruri, important है. विश्वनाथन, कीटाणु हाथों के रास्ते पेटों में जाते हैं. If we don't wash our hand, what will happen? Through our hand, when we eat food, if we don't wash our hand and without washing, if we eat food, what will happen? The germs which is in our hand will directly go to our, कहाँ जाते हैं? रास्ते पेट में जाते हैं. What is पेट? Stomach. Okay. So the germs get the entrance from the mouth to the stomach through our dirty hands if we don't wash it. Then दांत साफ नहीं करोगे तो दांत में सड़न पैदा हो जाएगी. And if we don't brush our teeth properly, if we don't take care of our teeth properly, what will happen? सड़न पैदा हो जाएगी. There will be decay in our teeth. There will be decay in our teeth. You know what is decay? You know what you say? People, what something like that, right? सड़न पैदा हो जाएगी जिससे मुंह से दुर्गंध आने लगेगी and we will have a bad breath. Okay, bad breathing or bad foul smell from our mouth. So you all are doing all these things or not? Eating healthy food, sleeping properly, cleanliness. Okay, I know you all are doing it, and even brushing the teeth properly, isn't it? So if we want to keep ourselves healthy, we have to take care of ourselves. No, we should not dependent on others. These all things we can do on our own, isn't it? Lakshmi, नाखून भी सही समय पर काटना चाहिए. We should cut our nails also proper time. We should not make the nails long because the germs stay in our nail, and when we eat food it will directly go into our mouth. Okay, वरना उसमें भरा मैल भोजन के साथ साथ शरीर में पहुंच जाएगा. With food it will go inside. So if the nails are not cut properly or not trimmed properly, what will happen? The dirt will remain in it, and when we eat food it will directly go to our mouth. Now Dadaji, what Dadaji is telling? अच्छा स्वास्थ्य चाहिए तो स्वच्छता का ध्यान तो रखना ही होगा. If we want good health, definitely we have to take the care of cleanliness. Swachhata means cleanliness. Not only our body but our surrounding also. We should keep our surrounding also neat and clean with our body. Understand? Now विश्वनाथन, what he is telling? अरे वाह, आप सबके साथ बात करते करते मुझे समझ में आ गया कि स्वास्थ्य की खिचड़ी में मुझे क्या क्या डालना है. अरे वाह. After speaking to you all, after talking, having a discussion with you all, because he is understanding what he is understanding for his next day's debate, right? So he is telling that आपके साथ बात करते करते, talking with you all, having a talk with you all, मुझे समझ में आ गया. I understand that. I came to know that कि मुझे स्वास्थ्य की खिचड़ी में क्या क्या डालना है. What should be added in स्वास्थ्य की खिचड़ी? So the health khichdi, what I have to mix, what are the masalas to be mixed in health khichdi. Now what are the things to be added in khichdi? Thoda sa khel kood. Everyone listen carefully. What you want if you want to have a good health? Yes, thoda sa khel kood. Your games, sports like exercises, etc. Vyayam, exercise. Paushtik bhojan, a proper nutritious food. Okay, और सफाई का तड़का. And सफाई का तड़का means when your mother prepares some curry, at last she takes little oil and put mustard seed and leaf, you know, curry leaf in that. At that time one sound comes, isn't it? Yes. So scraping of what? mustard seed is known as tadka, and that tadka is put in the curry. So shh sound comes, isn't it? You can see here tadka. Okay, so swasth ka what is important? Safai ka tadka. So what should be there within us to keep our self healthy? खेल कूद, व्यायाम, पौष्टिक भोजन और सफाई. What are the 4 things? Once again, थोड़ा सा खेल कूद, व्यायाम, पौष्टिक भोजन और सफाई का तड़का है ना चाचा जी? Is asking to his uncle. Isn't it चाचा जी? So these 4 things if we have in ourselves, definitely we will be healthy. So my dear children, I hope you all understand this chapter. Okay? Read it properly and try to keep yourself swasth ki khichdi, like a swasth ki. Add all these things in your khichdi also, in your swasth ki khichdi also. So don't be there, don't go anywhere. Read the chapter properly, watch this video properly, understand it and study well. Okay, bye, take care, namaste.